So Ramona, come here. I'm here, use two hands to, no, just stay here. Okay, squeeze, yes. Squeeze. Touch me here. No, just touch.
One finger.
Touch here. When I move my elbow, your two fingers will not feel anything because he's holding me. I'm just a dead piece of rock. Yours is that you have power, but it's only here. So the saying is called wherever he touches. It's like the Chinese game Go becomes his. I only move what's mine. Yours is you're moving what's yours and you're moving what's his. Now there's a fight, and there's a fight. There's nothing here, it's only him. And he is a target. The target is a dead object somewhere not connected to me. It's none of my concern. I'm only concerned with here. Now you feel it, okay? Two hands. You somehow had feeling, but there is nothing there. Right. And I'll just go until, it's like the bullet will continue to go until it hits the target. Whatever happens, there is nothing in between. We always have something in between. So our move, use another line of thinking. Our move should never give our opponent one tiny bit of a feedback. You should not be able to feel because it's yours. And again, this is another layer, another level of difficulty. Because when it's your hand, you think it's your hand. To give it up is very difficult. Yeah. And the push is the same. So, Gary, come here. Stand here. Put your hand here. Yeah, you're just a sticker. Okay. So when I push him, and you can fight anyway. Can you see I'm fighting him? Mm-hmm. I'm just touching. And my move is not there. You understand a little bit? Yeah. Because when I touch and he fights back, I want to respond. No response, because it's an attachment. Power is on me. I only use power on parts that he does not touch, or I do not touch him. If I touch him, you see, any place, right? We can be here. I cannot fight him in the places I touch him. Right. I just use other parts. Mm-hmm. The one problem when I came to North America in 1985 is that I said the entire Western scene was wrong because they think there is a fight. There is no fight. Once they start to understand, they say, you relax. That's the number 2 mistake. Number 1 is they think you have to fight. Number 2 is that you think you have to relax. No, it has to be that you do something totally independent of your target. But you are doing something. As long as I connect, you are controlling me.
So I feel your hands on me.
Yeah,
but
that's it.
But they don't do anything.
Yeah.
And then I can't feel what's going on with your body.
That's why
it's too late.
Yeah.
Until it's too late.
Yeah. So I found out in the 90s, I went back to China, the Chinese were doing the same. It's like fighting. Right. But the original art is very elusive, but it's not that you're not fighting. You're fighting a different war.